This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch the settings and enter the display and brightness category, as well as expand the available values for the auto screen off setting, we'll be clearly able to see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system on this phone is 30 minutes. Thus, if we would like to still set this value to never somehow, we will need to use the help of the free Play Store application that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and get it real quick. So launch the Google Play Store, then type in Caffeine just like so. Among the search results, you want to look for this particular app. And now we gotta simply download and install it. After that, all that it's left to do is to launch the Caffeine app and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And basically from now on, as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically whatsoever. No matter for how much time, it will stay in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.